We would love to invite you to participate. We would also invite you, if you feel like you want to run grab a journal or a notebook, please be open to the impressions that might come to you, things that are said or things that maybe aren't spoken, but the Spirit is wanting to share with you. We will start our time together with a very special treat. Some of you have been so patient with our attempts to get a virtual choir together. Instead, we get to hear a musical number from the Presbyterian Bell Choir. Mary, please correct me if I don't introduce it properly. Mary is serving as secretary in the Brigham City South State Relief Society Presidency, and she is the one playing the piano. And then you'll have to introduce Mary, the other gal, please. Can you?
Sure. So this is our bell director. Her name is Kathy Bullock, and she is doing solo ringing. So she is the only one playing at the moment. You need to know that we did this with social distancing and lots of sanitizing, and we were very careful, but we are pleased to share this beautiful piece with you.
Thank you, Mary. We were actually scheduled to hear from the Presbyterian Bell Choir. They were actually going to host an interfaith concert at our tabernacle here in Brigham City, but because of COVID, it got canceled. So it's kind of a treat to get to hear. And one last thought, and then we'll pull her on. But when I watched this, it just really struck me that, I don't know if you know Mary, I feel like I've gotten to know her so well. She has a fierce testimony of Jesus Christ. And this other woman is Presbyterian, if you haven't caught that. And the way that she moves her body while she plays and her facial expression, you can tell that she knows Jesus Christ too, and she loves him. And even though Mary and this other woman maybe don't know Jesus Christ exactly the same, and they definitely don't worship him in the same way, they don't park their car in the same church parking lot on Sunday, please note this example of unity, that we don't have to agree on everything to come together to make something beautiful. So without further ado, oh, here, let's see. I cannot minimize. I'm glad it told me I can't do that. Okay, I'm going to screen